What's up? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Keychron K6, self-described a sleek, compact wireless mechanical keyboard from Keychron. Been really excited about it. It features, zoom in here, features such as compact design, dual compatibility with Mac and Windows, wireless and wired functionality, pairing up to 3 devices simultaneously. It features a battery life, light effects. So that's what we're working with here, and why don't we get into it? This is the hot swappable version. This is the very fancy version, and it doesn't have RGB because RGB is dumb. So yeah, I've started a keyboard collection here. My current keyboard right now is this HyperX Ally Origins Core. It's a layman gamer keyboard. It has RGB, you know, fun colors and stuff. But this one should be a lot more classy, so I wanted to check it out. Yes. Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay, so this is just showing like changing from Windows to Mac and all the shortcut things to switch the lighting effects and such. Here we have a keycap puller to pull the keycaps. I hope there's a key switch puller too, but we'll see, since this is the hot swap version. Oh my goodness. Ooh, it comes in a very nice bag. Very excellent bag. It's very heavy too. Ooh. Ooh. That looks really nice. I like the way this looks. Let's see, let's compare, let's do a size comparison to the HyperX here. So yeah, it's definitely quite a bit smaller. It's like the height of it is definitely like a 60% keyboard. This is technically, I think it's a 65% keyboard is how they describe it. So it's, yeah, definitely considerably smaller. And this one has linear switches. So yeah, it should be a little bit quieter and smoother than this one. This one has kind of a Brown's equivalent, HyperX Aqua. Looks like we have 2 levels of adjust past the bass, so I mean we can raise it all the way here, and yeah, I mean just from that it feels pretty comfortable. ABS keycaps. So yeah, it's wireless. So let's plug it in. Let's do a typing test. These are these look like the keys, the switches to change it into Windows mode. It starts off in Mac, and then this is the key switch puller. So we have our cable here. Let's do that. I'm just gonna put it in front for now. Dang! White backlight. Yeah, it looks nice. Let's see. Woo! Look at that. That's pretty sweet. So there's some nice lighting effects on here. There's a static, just plain backlight. I mean, as far as the way it looks, I think it looks really clean, actually. Super tiny. There's Wendy the Whippet there. So let's go on to test fast. Let's go on to 10 fast fingers and see how this baby performs, shall we? All right. Oh. Let's close that Discord. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's a nightmare. Okay. Shit. The switches sound pretty good to me. Not super used to a linear switch right now. So it's going to take a little bit of getting used to. But I'd say it sounds pretty good. I think it's better than a cherry switch. So yeah, and then there's the wireless functionality on the side, switching to Mac and Windows. Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. This is I think this is the aluminum version. So yeah, pretty nice. Pretty much no flex on the keyboard. And I really like the 65% layout because you keep the arrow keys. I've used 60% keyboards in the past that are a little bit, they're not quite as long, and you have to go through a function layer to use the arrow keys, so that's not very nice for programming or something like that. But other than that, I mean, I don't think there's much else to say about this. It's a pretty good keyboard. I like it.